Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem with your Instagram. So if you receive Instagram notifications but with no sound, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find notifications. In the notifications just scroll down, just find here Instagram. Now just turn on here in sounds and budget, just turn on. So after, I hope it will help you. So now also just go back, just try to restore your phone. Just go to the general, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power phone again. So just simple restore your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.